さん、こんにちは。Hello everyone. 私はさくら先生です。I am Sakura sensei. Welcome to my Japanese class. Are you planning to travel to Japan? I'm quite sure that some Japanese useful sentences make your journey unforgettable. Let's learn useful phrases and vocabularies as well as simple grammar. Today, you are going to learn how to greet in Japanese. You are going to see various greetings in this video. Also, you will have a memory test after introductions of today's phrases. Let's start. This lesson consists of 3 parts. Today's sentences, memory test, and overview. Check the timetable below this video. Now, I'm going to explain how to learn today's sentences. A picture and the translation in English appears. こんにちは。こんにちは。Then, Japanese phrase or conversation appears in red, and you hear its pronunciation. Repeat the phrase after hearing it. Romaji appears in light blue, and you hear its pronunciation. If you're not sure of Hiragana, check my Hiragana videos. Also, I explain about the phrases if necessary. Okay, now let's start. おはよう。おはよう。おはよう。This is casual way to say good morning. There are 2 ways to say good morning in Japanese: polite and casual. おはようございます。おはようございます。おはようございます。ございます is added at the end and it makes a sentence polite. As you see, this is much longer than おはよう, but don't be hesitate to say this phrase. Try to take a breath shortly between おはよう and ございます。こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。This is very famous phrase. Some students ask me what time period in a day こんにちは is used. It's an interesting question. There is no exact rules, but I would say between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. こんばんは。こんばんは。こんばんは。こんばん means this evening or this night. さようなら。さようなら。さようなら。さようなら is a beautiful way to say goodbye. If you want to be more casual, you can say またね instead. This means see you again. お元気ですか？お元気ですか？お元気ですか？はい、元気です。はい、元気です。はい、元気です。元気 means energetic, fine, or healthy. はい means yes. ありがとう。ありがとう。ありがとう。 どういたしまして。どういたしまして。どういたしまして。ありがとう is very famous and easy, but どういたしまして is kind of tongue twister. Just repeat it many times until you get used to it. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。どういたしまして。どういたしまして。どういたしまして。Add ございます after ありがとう to make the phrase polite. すみません。すみません。すみません。大丈夫ですよ。大丈夫ですよ。大丈夫ですよ。大丈夫ですよ。すみません is a very frequent phrase in Japan. In this context, it means sorry to apologize. すみません is used to call people, which is like excuse me, or it is used as thank you instead of ありがとう。いただきます。いただきます。いただきます。This phrase is used before eating a meal. The verb いただきます is used as a honorific expression, and the original meaning is you are given food from superior. We often our palms together and say いただきます。ごちそうさま。ごちそうさま。ごちそうさま。This phrase is used after eating a meal. ごちそう means fancy meal or feast. Put your palms together and say いただきます and ごちそうさま。Now, let's test your memory. At first, a picture and English translation appears, and then small bars appears. While the bars are coming up, try to say appropriate Japanese phrase. Next, Hiragana and Romaji appears. At last, the answer is played, so you can make sure if you're right. Are you ready? Let's start. おはよう。おはようございます。こんにちは。こんばんは。 さようなら。お元気ですか？はい、元気です。ありがとう。どういたしまして。ありがとうございます。どういたしまして。すみません。大丈夫ですよ。いただきます。ごちそうさま。